Hey everybody, how's it going? This is a follow-up from my video last week where I was trying to diagnose a front end noise coming from one of my front two wheels because I could feel it in the steering wheel and I could feel it in the floorboard. I could hear it audibly, so I think I figured it out. These stock Goodyear Wrangler Adventures with Kevlar seem to be pretty noisy riding around on the road. So I swapped in my spare tire to the front right location on my vehicle, passenger side front, and then tightened it up and went for a spin. And sure enough, the noise went away. I've obviously got something wrong with this tire. Now I've examined the tire. I've removed any rocks and debris from it, from the tread. So I'm not really sure. There's probably a band that's starting to slip inside the makeup of the rubber. I wanted to just update everyone and let them know that is what the front end noise that I was hearing. Now, the video I posted last week, I had the vehicle jacked up and I was spinning the wheels and you could hear a clicking coming from that driver's side. That is actually the front differential internal gears making noise as you're spinning, and that's actually normal. I did some research into how the front differential works when in two-wheel drive mode, and when that ring and pinion is not activated, the internal gears are freely spinning, but the front wheels are disconnected from each other. So the driver's side spins, it also spins the internal gears to the differential. The passenger side spins, but it's just spinning on its bearing itself, and the ring and pinion are disconnected from the transfer case. So what you were hearing in that video is actually 100% normal, and another member on the forums has confirmed that their truck also makes that sound when jacked up and spinning. So I'm pretty confident that's just how it works. I'll link a video in the description to Weber Automotive. They did a video on how a front differential works. It actually is really informative, and it applies to this situation. So anyways, this is just a short update video. I'm going to be getting rid of these Goodyear Wranglers. So now I need to think about what tires I want to get for my Canyon. These are Michelin Defender LTX tires. I have these on my work truck, which is out there. You can just barely see the truck. And they have 40,000 miles on those, and they're super quiet and smooth. So I decided I wanted them on my Canyon as well. So I ended up going up one size on the Canyon. The stock size on my Canyon before was 255, 65, 17, so I went up to a 265, just a slightly wider tire. These are much quieter, much smoother, and I'm pretty pleased with them on my other truck, so I'm happy to put them on another truck. They aren't the most aggressive or fancy looking tire, but they work really well. Here are those old Goodyears. And there's no more tire noise, which I'm very happy with because it was driving me crazy. Thought it was something mechanical. Had it at the dealership twice and they couldn't figure it out, so I swapped that spare tire on like I showed you earlier in the video, and the noise went away. And then I found that lug on this one tire that was kind of misshapen somehow. Well, anyways, I'm happy the tire noise is gone. I'm glad the truck's quiet again. Just wanted to give everyone an update on this little saga I've been dealing with. Later.